Hey Alexis Love Beauties and gentlemen, welcome back to another grocery haul video. Today I went to the farmer's market. I have some fresh greens here. I believe it's just mixed lettuce in here. I really want some arugula. I'm gonna have to find that from somewhere, but I do have some greens for a salad. I wanted to try something new, so I got some peppers or jalapenos. I also have a nice carrot here I'm going to be using for a salad, some yellow nectarines, a couple of bell peppers. I have a plantain here to make a burger. I'm going to have to let that ripen a little bit more. Another beautiful head of garlic. I'm going to be eating me some garlic cloves raw for a minute. Mandarin oranges, I have a couple of sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes, buying them from like restaurants, but I'm gonna do what I've been seeing online, just baking them myself and then just eating them myself. So this will be the first time that I probably just did it like that. So that's what those are for, just to bake those and eat those. Tamarind is really, really good. I'm gonna be using these for my digestive health. These are very, very potent. These help you go to the restroom. I put these second to prune juice. Actually, sometimes it's kind of first. I don't even want to compare these to prune juice because they're both very amazing. But I love the way that these taste. Very sweet, very delicious, and they have you go to the restroom instantly. So these are going to be really good for your digestion health. Very full of fiber. I also have some turmeric here. I just put this raw in my salads, the raw turmeric. I have a couple of beautiful apples, very good big apples, and they're very sweet. And then pears. I don't really eat pears like that, but they are really good. So I got a couple of pears. Pomelo. These are very delicious, as we all know. Every time I buy these, I tell y'all that this is the original citrus fruit that everything else is breeded from. So this is going to be one of the number one most healthiest, most citrus, most everything. Every other citrus fruit is made from this one. So I have two big beautiful pomelos. I know these are going to be really good. They're really good, very, very sweet. I have a couple of lemons to squeeze over my fruit, a couple of tomatoes, a couple of beautiful mangoes here, and I also have some kale, two blueberries, one strawberry, some beautiful red onions. Be careful now with the onions. I had to ask the young man at the farmer's market, how do you know to pick a good onion? Recently from the grocery store, about 3 different occasions, 3 different stores, I've been getting red onions, and I'll cut them, I'll cut them in half, and then they'll be rotted, they'll be very watery, they'll have like dark spots around them. He told me at the farmer's market the best way to find a good onion is to have them firm, which I do try to get them firm, but I have not ever had them this firm. These are very beautiful and firm. So just look out for that. Make sure you're getting some very nice firm onions. I mean, these are perfect. It's probably one of the best onions I've ever seen in my life. I have a couple of beets here. I'm going to be eating these raw, also in my salads. A couple of cucumbers, and then a couple of aloe vera plants. So that's going to be it for this grocery haul. I'm about to get ready to make me a salad, put me some fruit up, and that's pretty much it. So again, thank you all for stopping by today. I will talk to you in the next grocery haul video. Mwah.